Hello friends, welcome to Rainbow Kids. Today we're going to make a flower, but this isn't any ordinary flower. It's a magic flower. Magic paper flower, in fact. This flower will bloom in water. For this we need two circular things and some scissors, paper and a pencil. So, how to make this is, you need to draw around the bigger circular thing. Then draw around the smaller circular thing, but make sure it's in the middle. Then get your fingers and use them as guides for the petals. Use the other outer circle to make sure the petals of your fingers are the same. So let's draw around. You need to color them. Once you've finished coloring it, start cutting it. You can ask an adult to help if you need. So, I've cut the flower and colored it. Now we need to fold the petals in like this. As we folded it, you should get something like this. And if you put it in water, it will bloom. So, let's see if it really works. But first, let's write a secret message. No. Wow, it's blown fully. Read the message. I've made one more. Do you want to see it? I bet you do. Let's just take this one out. You can also use this for gifts and birthday wishes. It is so pretty. Hope you liked it. If you did, make this yourself and tell your friends to make it. But also subscribe, like and share. And bye-bye from Rainbow Kids. See you another time.